Hi everyone, we are your Pampanga property guide and this is our first vlog, first property tour for the year 2026 and kasama natin dyan si Engineer Ruel. We are heading to San Fernando to check one of let's say our mid-range, mid-cost housing project here in San Fernando. It's called Gerarica. Attend tayo ngayon ng business orientation and sales process or sales seminar para malaman natin kung ano yung pwede nating i-offer sa ating mga home buyers, first time home buyers, OFW clients, our property investors in general. So let's find out kung pasok siya sa requirements ng ating mga clients. So this is again just another property that we can offer para sa ating mga kababayan looking for their property investment, be it their first property or just expanding their property portfolio. Let's check and find out what's in store for us at Gerarica. We'll get back to you later. So eto muna, just a quick overview just to give you a heads up or an idea of how far or how near it is in Clark. It's approximately around 25 minutes from the Clark area. We just need to take the Mexico exit from Clark if we're coming from Clark or coming from south. Yan, just take the Mexico exit and after exiting, it's just around 4.5 kilometers away. So malapit na lang siya. Ayan yung navigator natin since this is going to be our first time visiting the subdivision. Kailangan nating mag-waste para hindi tayo maligaw. Ayan, so it says there 4.5 kilometers, around 13 minutes. So walang traffic. So from the toll gate, left turn lang tayo going to the Mexico Calulut Road.
The left side of our rights. So andyan po si
Right side. Nandyan si Global Plaza.
Global Plaza. Yan po yung mga ano natin dito, our houses within the Mexico, Pampanga. So the name is Global Construction City. So pwede tayong bumili ng mga materials dyan. Dahil yan po is more on the warehouse area. Wholesale po yung mga ano natin mabibili. At ang development here at Mexico is magkakaroon po tayo ng data center. So we can call that Silicon Valley funded by kung sino yung leading ano natin business investors here in Pampanga, which is Dinis Oy. So siya yung mag-ano nung Silicon Valley. Then we have also dito magkakaroon pa ng diversion road, so madadaanan natin, which is ito main road to nung pagka-exit natin, pero another access pa rin, may mga access pa rin tayo na ginagawa, ongoing. So soon, hoping this year, ibubukas po yung access road na yun, going to Mexico exit. Pero yun kasi itong barangay Welcome to Kalulot, pagkata natin along Bulaon, Kalulot Road. So doon po yung area nung access road. So makikita natin mamaya along the way. We are entering San Fernando. From Mexico to San Fernando. So San Fernando po yung location ng property natin. We have two access actually sa papunta rito sa subdivision. If you are coming from the north, so mag-exit po tayo ng Mexico exit. But if you are coming from south area or Manila area, pwede na po tayong mag-exit into the San Fernando exit, and diretso lang po yon going to Angeles, San Fernando, before the Sendalan. So gamit na lang po tayo ng Waze or Google Maps para matrack natin yung papunta, dahil yung location niya is accessible siya along the highway. So yun po yung ginawang access road din ng San Fernando, Mexico, para at least yung development is kung ano yung mga product from the San Fernando and Mexico yon, para mag-boom po yung ano natin, the area. So itong area na to, kaya ginawa yung access road kasi may times po na traffic in this area. Pero pagka nalagpasan na natin dito, kasi ito rin kasi yung shortcut going to the Angeles City. Yung from the right side, yun po yung going to Angeles City. Meanings, kumbaga other properties na handle natin like the Abida. So andun na area, and yung pupuntan naman natin is left side nito. Ito lang po yung nagkakaroon ng congestion because of the intersection. Pero after this area, dire-diretso na po yung ano natin, travel natin going to the property. And ang kagandahan dito sa area na to, especially sa mga OFW subscriber natin or OFW buyers natin na interested dito sa property nito, malapit lang po ito sa OFW Hospital, located at San Fernando, Pampanga, and mga groceries on that location, and mga hospital po like sila Calcutta Hospitals and other hospital doon. Halos tabi-tabi naman po yung hospital doon, and we are near SM Pampanga. So yun po yung mga malls na malapit sa atin pag nandito tayo sa area. So ito po, diretso na to.
Okay, so mas accessible siya, mas malapit siya if coming from south and taking San Fernando exit.
Mamaya ng diversion road. So ito siya. So magko-connect yan once na natapos yan, i-open nila yan. Nandito na area yung diversion road natin. Pero dito kasi ikot muna, magta-turn right muna tayo going to the subdivision. But
yan yung magiging diversion road natin.
Yun po yung magiging diversion road natin. Once natapos yan, direct into the Mexico exit na po yan. So
hindi na tayo dadaan dun sa main traffic.
Dito, mayroon na rin po tayong fast food, si Jollibee. Jollibee Kalulot yung fast food natin dito sa area. And some business like coffee shop, dito na rin po sa area. Because this one is a diversion road going to San Fernando, Sindalan. So, Sindalan is the known barangay for San Fernando City. So, malapit lang po tayo doon. And, so, nasa 3 minutes na lang. We are at Sierra Rica na po tayo. So, ganito po kaluwag yung magiging access natin pag nandito na tayo sa access road. And once na open yung Mexico access road extension, so ito, diretso na lang po. So, we have the 7-Eleven, gas station. So very convenient po yung location ni Sierra Rica. Hazard lang tayo dahil lapit na tayo sa main gate or access entrance going to the Sierra Rica. This is our entrance for the Sierra Rica. So ito na po yung subdivision, yung property na i-visit natin. So yan po, ka-accessible dahil pagkalabas natin is access road na po. So from Mexico exit, nasa 10 minutes lang yung naging travel natin.